TKM family, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tactical Mike, and I'm back with some more of that pressure. So today we're talking about that EDC, none other than the Palmetto State Armory Dagger. This is my insane 2023 everyday carry. This dagger is chambered in 9mm. I do have the hollow sawn up top, TLR 7A, and I got this Warren extended mag on there. Can't go to the range with just one gun, man. Gotta show some love. This is my 7-inch Marauder upper. Got this one equipped with that Sig Sauer Romeo 5 dual mag couplers. So I'm going outside today, shooting some steel targets with these two bad boys. I'm gonna catch y'all at the range. All right, y'all, so we back at it. We outside. Got the steel target set up down there. And of course, we're gonna be showing off this bad boy, my everyday carry. YouTube, wait a minute now. We are in a safe and controlled environment. I am at the outside gun range. So please, don't demonetize this video.
Shut your stupid.
So quick little warm up, we gotta get them juices flowing.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Because it's so bright out here, I did have to adjust my red dot to make it more brighter so I can see steel target down there. But, man, let's put this gun to work, man. All right, ready for some action.
No!
One thing I do realize, it's different when you're shooting a pistol with gloves. I can't really feel that trigger that well. So it's causing me to miss a couple shots. So I'm gonna take this glove off and I'm gonna see what it got. All right, so I got 3 rounds left. Let me see if I can hit this target all 3 times. No gloves. Guess I'm about to shoot this bad boy with no glove on because I don't like missing, man. PSA Dagger, don't fail me now.
Okay.
Don't fail me now. I can't really tell, but it seems like I missed one right now, and that's not acceptable from the TKM family, man. Tactical Mike can't miss.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That's why it's important to practice, practice, practice. All right, one-handed, let me see. One hand. And we clear. So far, this dagger is reliable, but I'm gonna give it a rest real quick and I'm gonna switch it up. All right, now this right here, this is my baby, another Palmetto State Armory. Apparently, according to the ATF, short barrel rifle now.
Boy, if you don't.
This was a pistol yesterday. We gotta move back a whole lot so I can hit this target safely. So that's what I'm gonna do. Already got my rounds loaded. This is that 5.56 bad boy right here. Got the dual mag coupler. So definitely gotta test the reliability on these two if I'm gonna be running this. But we'll see. Let's move on back real quick so we can get some of these shots in. So I'm at a safe distance. Hopefully I can hit this target without damaging it. But if I do, oh well, let's get it. I saw that target down there moving, baby. Let's go give it a look. When we're moving, weapon is on safe. This Romeo 5. It's pressure, man. I'm gonna definitely have to get a couple more of those. Let me turn off this camera. Hopefully I didn't miss any. But I just want to see if I damaged the target. No. It looks good. Not too much damage. Now we got to get back into that pistol. I'm kind of far back, man. I don't know if I can hit it with the pistol. AR is on safe. I'm a sniper, boy. Stop playing with me. I'm a sniper, bro. I hope it picked that up. Like, I'm mad far from the target, man. And stop playing with me. My name isn't Tactical Mike for no reason. I really get sturdy with these firearms, man. We up a lot closer, giving that dagger some more of that good TLC, baby. And that, my good friends, is how you get it on target.
Barely.
I mean, this is kind of far for self-defense, but this is a really good distance to actually train at. I'm still going to train because I'm not perfect. I do have some shots that I missed. And I'm gonna be 100% honest. Pulling your firearm and finding that dot immediately, it does take practice. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you, oh, it's real easy, I'm a professional. It's not easy. Like, it's something you need to practice to do, especially if you're in a self-defense situation. I think I got like 3 or 4 rounds left in the dagger. Let's see if we can go. All right, TK Young family, man, we had a great day at the range today. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you rock with the Palmetto State Armory brand, let me know what you feel about these two in the comments below. These are amazing weapons in my opinion. But all right, guys, I'll see you next time. It's your boy Tactical Mike, and I'm signing off.
Okay, I'm reloaded.